Hi guys, here we can see that there is some products, rate and reward. In reward we can add some emojis or any hashtags, any symbol we can add in reward. With respect to rates, rate is 1, so write here 1 emoji is 2, so 2 emojis. So I have write code equal bracket quotation, and here we can press alt plus 1 on the right side of the keyboard and quotation close comma and select the cell and bracket close and enter. Here we can see that one emoji is added, so we can apply this formula in all cells. So here emojis are applied. Here we can see that